going. Mine's not gonna work, so.
Wow, it's such a little sliver. I need to clean these glasses. I got them all. We're just waiting. Like, this is about to be the climax, but then we have to wait for another hour and a half.
Oh, this is so neat.
You know, I realized is after the eclipse is over, we're still going to be stuck there for like another hour and a half.
You don't have to.
They are.
We're gonna get pictures of the last part.
Oh, okay.
Oh, how much time until totality? Either
It's
2 or 4
it's
minutes.
1:52. So we're gonna start at like
I'm working on it.
less than 5 minutes. It says total for popular vote. It's 1:56:14.
And what time is it?
1:52.
Set up your AEV first and then take the filter off in just a few minutes.
Oh, this is.
There we go. All right, I've got the video on the phone going.
Oh, this is crazy. Oh, I almost looked at it. Golly.
You said 800, right? Yes, with the AEV. 800.
Oh, it feels weird out here.
It is.
It feels weird.
Can I take my lens off?
Let me see. That'd be awesome.
Let's give it just another minute. All right, ISO 200, F10, 1-800. Yes, with the AEV. AWB.
I'm gonna stand next to Brynn.
I forgot how to do the AEV
I'm gonna
part.
put some glasses right in this chair.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stand next to Brynn, okay?
Okay. I'll come over and I'm going to work my shutter remotely.
Alright. Ooh, it's getting real close.
I'm going to take my lens off, see what happens.
Oh, you can hold your glasses out so you can watch, but also see around you.
Yeah. That's, oh, it's so close. It feels so weird out here.
Alright, it looks pretty bright on the camera, Logan. I know. I don't think it's enough to damage it.
It feels weird.
This is neat.
Let's take another picture.
Have your filter off and watch it and correct your focus if needed.
The lighting is so good.
Dude, it looks wild on the drone camera.
Yeah, they're like,
Oh, it's getting close. Okay, I'm not gonna take any pictures more. Well,
you can set your phone up somewhere. Yeah.
I'll probably just take one picture.
It's only taking one photo, Logan.
And that's about it.
Yeah, then you press it again. The first one you take's normal, the next one's over, the next one's under. How do you tell when you're at which one?
I can start to hear the
Come over here and check me real quick. Hang on, I'm getting mine.
Listen to the rhythm. You can hear it.
They're normal right now.
I think it's starting to.
Oh, here we go. We're getting close. I can feel it changing. Look at this, man.
Okay, it's
Just
154. It's 154 right now.
It's really close.
Like,
basically, James, when you get it set, just keep firing. I don't know if I'm set or not.
Oh, it's going, guys. Dude, this is exciting. Oh, this is crazy.
My skin's so cold.
James, main thing, don't forget to watch it.
Okay.
Over there, the thing said 4 minutes. I hear that.
Dude, it's getting so... Look how dim it is.
I know.
This is crazy. Dude, look at the shadow. Is that just... Do you see the little movement in the shadow?
That's shadow bands. You saw it. Shadow bands.
Shadow bands?
Look.
Oh, yeah. Look at it.
Look at the shadow bands on the ground.
That car needs to pull over.
I know. Oh, God, look.
It's all gone.
Oh, it's almost
Look at the stars.
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is crazy. Oh, it's almost here. It's getting darker. You got, oh, here we go. Okay, are you taking pictures, Logan?
Yes.
Oh,
my drone camera
there.
got too dark.
Oh, no! Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, here we go.
That's the diamond ring.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Wow! Oh my goodness!
Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna look at it. That is crazy.
I gotta get my camera lens off.
Dude, look at it outside right now. And look at the sunset all the way around.
That's crazy. You're right, it is all the way around.
This is wild.
Look at it.
That's wild. That is crazy.
Oh my goodness!
I'm trying to take a panorama. This is awesome.
James, get a longer shutter speed if you can.
Oh, what now?
30th or something.
That's so cool. Look at that little white piece in the bottom.
What do you mean 1/30th? I'm at 800.
I know, so you can crank it down now if you want to. Get some different
You
ones.
the dog down?
That's crazy. Brynn, do you feel that?
This is wild how we're in the dark right now. Do you hear bugs?
Hope my drone's okay.
Dude, it's cold.
You getting good photos?
I'm getting a video.
Wouldn't it be
Yeah.
cool if this never resolved and you just stay the solar eclipse forever?
Look at all the solar stuff going on around it.
Prominences.
Huh?
Prominences. Or that's the corona you're seeing.
That is wild. I wish my camera would.
Brynn, come look at this.
You see that light at the bottom?
See that one right there?
Yeah.
That light spot I was talking about.
What
Is that a
is that?
solar flare?
I don't know.
What are you setting it to, Logan?
I'm at 1/30th.
Ooh.
And even longer.
Wow.
Just cycle through them.
I see the little dot at the bottom.
Yeah,
Is that a solar flare?
I don't know.
Aren't you zoomed in?
Yeah, but I don't know.
That's wild. The fact that it's happening this long, it feels like 4 minutes already.
This
That
is insane.
Wild.
You hear the crickets?
Yeah. Dude, this is crazy. The fact that we're here to witness it. I can't believe the sun's up everywhere. Okay, I think
You
it's
guys want
almost
to get a
done.
photo real quick before it goes away?
Yes, if we can. Here, Brynn, you and I can do it.
Well, we'll wait for them to come here. Come here, James.
Real quick, I gotta change the camera a second.
Hey, smile in front of it. It's recording.
Everyone smiling?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Are we good?
Someone grab it and take a selfie of us. All of us together up at the sun.
Up.
I gotta get this set.
All right, ready when you guys are.
Oh, it's almost.
Oh my gosh.
It's about to go away.
It's about to go away.
I'm just gonna enjoy it for a minute, guys.
That's fun.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Look at it. Just look at that.
I know.
Lord, you have made the most beautiful
Look at the plane
watch
going
in
by.
the
Oh, is
world.
it the rocket? Where? Up there.
It's something.
Oh no, it's a satellite.
I think it's a plane.
I don't even. Oh,
It's
yeah.
blinking.
I see it. That's wild. Are you getting that, Logan?
Getting something.
Dude, this is like. Oh,
Is it gonna blind you all of a sudden?
It's about to come back. Yeah, I see it.
There comes Diamond Ring.
Diamond.
Get ready for your glasses.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Well, I can't look at it anymore. Wow, look at that was cool.
Look at it starting to brighten back up all around us.
That's wild.
Oh, I got a zillion of them.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Feel the heat immediately?
Yeah, look at
Feel that warming up.
Dude, that's
Look
wild.
around us. Just look around. Wow.
Dude, you're taking so many pictures.
I don't know if I got the beads, but I got the diamond ring. I know.
Oh, you did?
I did.
What's the bead? What's the difference?
So the beads, it lasts about, called Bailey's beads, lasts about 3 seconds. And so it's when the moon is almost, it's like 99.5% covered the sun. But the difference between the edge of the sun and the edge of the moon is the mountains on the moon. So some of the mountains block the sun and the valleys let it through.
That's cool.
I hope I got it.
You want to finish this off? I do. I don't know where my glass is. Logan, is this it right here?
Yeah. Or that was mine. Yours is on the front of the car.
Okay, I was wondering.
I see it.
Oh, I need my filter back on.
I threw my phone or my phone cover off because I had to get it off. Man, that was awesome.
That was amazing.
That was.
Was that worth a 10-hour drive?
What do you think, Brynn? Now, was it more than you thought it was?
Oh, it's awesome.
That was so much different.
Oh
Okay.
my goodness.
Even now, it's still like that.
It's like I'm shaking.
Even still. Where did I
You guys are all under a lot of stress. You're just enjoying it. You're like, enjoying it. I'm like, we have been.
I had to just step back and stop. I had to stop touching cameras and just.
Yeah.
Did you feel you felt the heat come back as soon as it came back?
It's about to get real hot here in a second.
Oh man, it's gonna get
My
really
drone screen went completely black except for the horizon.
I want to see what that is.
It's still filming. I'm gonna leave it. It's just at 31%.
Dude, I want to see what that drone got. Oh, you know it got the.
Probably. Now I didn't point up at the sun. I was too busy with this, but it got everything else.
Yeah, but it's pointing down, isn't it?
Right. Yeah, you wouldn't have seen much on it anyway for the sun.
You pointed down towards.